Sometimes I go to the park down the street and like just tether and sit under a tree, and it's nice to be able to collaborate on that connection.
A very Nathan image.
100%. I'm Patrick Chase. I'm with my colleague Erica Brescia. We're super pumped to announce our latest investment, Zed. We're here with Nathan. Nathan, tell us about Zed and what you guys are building.
Our goal with Zed is to build the best code editor that's ever existed. And then we want to use that code editor as a way to deliver a new experience for collaborating around code. Today, conversation all hangs off of version control artifacts, but there's this huge area of the software that you can't talk about. Our goal with Zed, by integrating tightly into the editing experience, is to have the entire code base as this canvas for a conversation.
Nathan, over 10 years devoted to a code editor. Like, what is driving this devotion? I think it's pretty unique in the world.
I was frustrated with the options available and wanting a better tool. But then as I got into it, I realized it was really hard and kept trying to stop. But every time I'd stop, I'd have no choice but to go back to a tool that I knew wasn't as good. There the cursor was, blinking at any other tool I tried, kind of mocking me.
Adam was incredible. What did you guys learn from Adam after building that it now informs what you're doing with Zed?
One is, like, if you don't care about performance from day one, you're never going to be able to fix it later. And then extensibility, we really want to take a different approach. Adam was very open-ended. That's great, and a lot of flowers bloomed. It became very difficult to maintain all of that API surface area, and it sealed in a lot of decisions that were difficult to change. Why'd you both get excited about what we're doing?
It's really rare to come across someone who spent their entire professional career building in one space and dedicating their life to essentially making one tool better. The second thing is the product. I remember when we were doing diligence, we went through the Discord and all the comments on GitHub. There was one person that said it felt like my brain was connected directly to the computer when I was using Zed. That was just amazing. The product love and how excited engineers were about what you built, I think was also something that really resonated with us.
You have like 11 out of 10 founder market fit, right? I don't think there is anyone else in the world that has spent as much time working on and thinking about this problem. It shows up in the product.
Designers have Figma, product managers have Notion and Miro, and if you're an engineer, you're kind of stuck with chat and pull requests.
If you look at any piece of complex software, like it's written by multiple people, the quality of those people's mind meld and shared understanding, shared consciousness is a huge determinant of the quality of the software they're going to write. I know that kind of richer interactions is going to lead to better quality software.
When we first met, Nathan, I remember the demo that you gave in the wine bar. We had just sat down, and probably 30 seconds into the conversation, you were like, do you want to see a demo? I think Max was in Oregon at the time, and you guys were following each other around and editing the same lines of code. And I was just blown away by the speed, because I was also thinking, there's no way the Wi-Fi in this wine bar is that good, so Zed must be super fucking fast.
I think I was tethered over LTE.
I spent at least an hour with Lee at Root, who did the feed, talking about the big picture, dreaming the dream of Zed, also drinking wine.
We had this tiny table, and Nathan, you had your big, beefy MacBook Pro laptop that was taking up the whole thing. And so the waiter came over with 2 flights of wine and is like, I don't know how I'm going to fit these next to this big computer.